my name is Peter Lloyd. I'm the owner and principal of deckmax. I've invented the system, and here today to share, there's a really important topic in the Australian market and probably globally, but more so in Australia where our decks are close to ground. There's issues about decks close to ground that are critical to understand. When you have, most materials are what we call hygroscopic. Hygroscopic means the material will absorb moisture and expel moisture. So if you have a deck outside, the top is going to be dry, the sun and the weather is going to have it as a lower moisture content. So moisture means how much moisture does the board hold? In Australia we talk about maybe between 13 and 16% is what stability is. What happens if this deck is too close to ground, and especially if you try and box it in to make it look pretty, what you've created is a cave underneath the decking. The cave is going to have moisture coming from natural ground, or even if you put it on raw concrete. Raw concrete actually has moisture vapor coming from the concrete. So there's really basic issues that we can actually send you data sheets about how to deal with it, and you can choose, but importantly I want you to understand. Probably something no one will ever explain to you because their principal objective is to sell decking. Ours is, yes, certainly we want to provide this product for you, but we want to explain the benefits and why this product is different and a point of difference from when you make your decision. When moisture rises, it's got nowhere to go. So the board's going to absorb it. And this is even in composite, it's in nearly all materials. So the bottom of the board absorbs moisture. It could go up to like 22, 24% moisture. The top's at 15%. What's the timber going to want to do? It's going to want to cup and twist. So that's just a basic thing that we know what's going to happen. We know the journey we want it to go on, so there's steps by step that we can actually offer you to say there is some terrific ideas, not expensive, in your consideration in the design before you start construction. Our best contact point is going to be probably the website. It'll allow you to navigate and try and find out what we actually do, how we offer it. You can always call us on our 1300 number. On the website you've got a quick quote form to actually give you some idea of budgets. You've also got a contact us form, or email to info@deckmax.com.au. There's a critical part of contacting us to allow us to share our knowledge. 30 years in the building industry, we understand what's going to be best suited. What we try and do is try and explain, okay, what's our point of difference? Our point of difference is what we've just run through. The quality of the material. We understand and care about your investment. Yes, we want to provide our product to you, but please, there's a lot to take into account when you actually make a decision. And there's a whole story about, how do I go about putting a deck on the house? There's a lot of unknowns, and unfortunately, some misleading information might come forward just to get a sale. Our job is to educate you, and at that point in time, further forward, you can actually then decide deckmax is exactly what we're after. We want return on investment for what we're going to spend, and that is to create wonderful lifestyle. Look forward to speaking to you. I look forward to either call me directly, my name's Peter, or any of my crew. They're fantastic. They're well educated. We're here to educate you and share the knowledge we've gained over 30 years in the building industry. Thank you.